Hey guys, this is blondfrogs here, giving you a quick video on how to install the Mac OSX binary for the new Ravencoin testnet. First off, what we want to do is go to the GitHub repository for the Raven project, right? So go to github.com, Raven project, Ravencoin, and then we're going to scroll down and click this binaries folder. After which, you're going to click this link here. Releases have been moved to. Just go ahead and click that link. And then here are all the current binaries available for the 2.0.1 testnet release. So we have OSX right here. We also have Windows binary and a Linux binary as well. So I'm going to go ahead and download the OSX DMG. And while that's waiting to download, I actually have already downloaded it on my front screen, so let me show you that. Once you have downloaded the DMG, it will probably be in your downloads folder. So the next step would be to go and find it and double click it, right? So let's open this up. And we'll just wait for it to install. Okay, it's already installed. Now it's going to ask you to drag Raven Core over to applications. So let's do that. We can open applications now. So you can see Raven Core is copying. Once this is done, we have to do something special to run it in testnet mode. So this is required for testnet. And I'll show you how to do that shortly. All right, so now as you can see, we have Raven Core in our applications here. So let's close out of applications and let's open terminal real quick. So I'm going to shortcut terminal here. Once terminal is open, we want to change the directory to the main root repository. So we're going to type cd // like that, and then you can type pwd if you want to see your pathing, and you should see just a 1//. After you verify that, type cd space applications, and you can click tab to autocomplete applications, and then we want to go Raven Core, right? And then we want to go into the contents directory, and then we want to go into the Mac OS directory and click enter. Once we're here, you can then type /Raven-Qt space and then -testnet and click the return or enter button. This will start Raven Core. As you can see, it's green and purple. That means it is running it in testnet, as well as you can see here as it says testnet. This could take some time to read the block indexes and everything else. If you haven't ran in testnet before, you will have to sync. There's like a couple 100,000 blocks right now. Shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. So let's see if this will open up for us. Well, I don't want to sit here wasting your time, guys, but it is running in the background, and it will show the GUI as soon as it can here. Oh, here we go. So as you can see here, we are currently syncing. Last time I opened testnet was yesterday, so we're currently syncing, and we're loading blocks. As you can see, this is changing over here. Okay. Well, I hope that you guys are able to follow these steps and that were easy. If not, let me know, and I'll try to help you out. Have fun, play with testnet, play with assets once it's active, and hopefully it all goes well. Have a good day, guys.